Recall that we have studied a sutram which prescribes the affix kta to denote an action in the present tense. Sutram we studied is 32188. Mati buddhi pujarthebhyascha, which says when following one of the verbal roots listed below, the affix kta may be used to denote an action in the present tense. The first category is any verbal root used in the sense of desire or wish. Second is any verbal root used in the sense of understanding or knowledge. The third category is any verbal root used in the sense of reverence or respect. In that time we saw the examples Rajnyam Mataha, Rajnyam Ishtaha, etc. We used the sixth case affix with Rajan. Now normally we know that as per 2.3.18, Kartrukarnayos Tritiya, a third case affix is used to denote the agent of an action provided the agent has not been expressed otherwise. So then why did we use the sixth case affix when we took the examples Rajnyam Mataha, Rajnyam Ishtaha, etc.? To understand that, let us now take the Sutram 2.3.67, which says Ktasya cha vartamane. The vritti says Vartamanarthasya ktasya prayoge shashti syat, which means that a sixth case affix is used to denote karta, the doer of an action, denoted by a word ending in the affix kta, provided the affix kta denotes the action in the present tense. Now why do we say a word ending in the affix kta? Of course we know the Sutram 1.172, yen vidhistadantasya, which says that a qualifier by means of which an injunction is made stands for a term which ends in it as well as for itself. In this sutram we have ktasya, so it stands for ktantasya prayoge. So in a usage where a word ending in the affix kta is used to denote an action in the present tense, in such a usage a sixth case affix is used to denote the agent of the action. The note here says that the anuvritti of kartrukarmanoho is coming down from 2.3.65, kartrukarmanoho kriti, which we have studied. Anuvritti comes into this sutram 2.3.67. Then why do we say the shashti is used to denote only the karta? Why not the karma also? The answer is that since karma, the object, is already expressed by the affix kta, the sixth case affix is used to denote only the karta, the doer, and not the karma. We should never forget Yadhikara of Anabhite, which comes down from 2.3.1, and it influences this entire quarter, this third quarter of chapter 2 of the Ashtadhyayi. So if the object is already expressed by the affix kta, it becomes abhitam, and then 2.3.67 cannot apply to that. We of course know that the affix kta is used in the sense of bhave or karmani, as per the sutram 3.4.70, tayoreva kritya kta khalarthaha. And hence the object is already expressed by the affix kta, therefore it cannot take the sixth case affix by this sutram 2.3.67. That is why we say that the sixth case affix is used to denote the agent of the action. Okay, the next point is that why do we even need this sutram? Because we have already studied 2.3.65, which says kartrukarmano kriti, and kta is definitely a krit affix. So what is the need for this sutram now, 2.3.67? The answer is given in the Siddhanta Kaumudi as na lokavyaya iti nishedhasyapavadaha. So we are soon going to be studying the sutram 2.3.69, which is a nishedha sutram. It is a prohibition rule which prevents 2.3.65 from applying when certain krit affixes are used. And in the list mentioned in 2.3.69 is nishtha. Now we know from 1.126 ktaktavatu nishtha that the two affixes kta and ktavatu get the designation nishtha. So therefore the sixth case affix prescribed by 2.3.65 is taught by 2.3.69. That is why we need this sutram 2.3.67 to reintroduce sixth case affix to denote the agent of the action when the action is denoted by a word ending in the affix kta, provided the affix kta denotes the action in the present tense. The examples here are Rajnyam Mataha, Rajnyam Buddhaha, Rajnyam Pujito Va, which means someone is desired. Mataha here means ishtaha, ishyate. Remember, the affix kta here denotes the action in the present tense. So someone is desired by the kings, someone is known to the kings, someone is honored, respected by the kings. The kings are the doers of the action. Normally, by 2-3-18, kartrkarnayos tritiya, we would have to use a third case affix following Rajan. But now 2-3-67 says that since the affix kta is denoting an action in the present tense, Rajan, which is the agent of the action, takes the sixth case affix to give the form Rajnyam.